Hello, my name is Mark and welcome to I Am Organic Gardening, located in Zone 6B in the state of New Jersey. And I've got such a simple hack for you today to stop your blossom end rot on your tomatoes. When your tomato forms and where that bud used to be, there's usually a scab there, and it actually gets bigger and bigger as the tomato grows. And we're going to stop that simply by using this simple hack today. Again, keyword simple. And once you see this hack, you'll say, hey, I should have done that years ago already. So the best advice that everybody always gives, and it's a little bit incorrect, is use eggshells, ground up eggshells, to help our tomato plants here to stop blossom end rot. It is a calcium deficiency, but it's not from lacking calcium in your soil. If you have sand, silt, and clay, maybe there's a deficiency if you're using a potting mix with a lot of peat moss in it and perlite. But when you grow in regular garden soil or you have added amendments, it's not the calcium lacking in there. What it is, what's stopping it is the delivery system. Yes, you have plenty of calcium, but you can't get it to the tomato. Why is that? Simple, lack of water. If you do not have your soil moist all the time, that's the problem. And that's the biggest problem facing all tomatoes when they're grown by farmers in the field or your home gardener like yourself watching this video. Now, so how do we ensure that constant supply? Now, we can't be out there watering every day. So a piece of cardboard has mulch, or a leaf mold is mulch, pine needles, straw. Just be careful where you get your straw from or your hay. It might have Roundup in it, but that's the simplest thing you can do, is apply mulch, and then that plant has constant moisture. And this is also done by a research, and it's on my Facebook page, is the pamphlet showing you that this research is showing that it's not the lack of calcium, it's the delivery system of, let's say, those nutrients to that tomato plant and also to the fruit that's stopping it from getting the proper things it needs. It's that it has all the minerals and nutrients in the ground, but if you don't have the water delivering that to the plant, that's the problem. And that's the biggest thing that is done by this research. So follow it up, and again, I'll just show you this simple little hack with the cardboard, adding, let's say, a bib around to the bottom of the tomato plant, and that will ensure that you keep your ground moist so your plant can grow quickly and bring up those nutrients and that calcium at the same time. It is because of lack of water delivering to that plant on those hot summer days. So I've been growing tomato plants when I bought this farm 20 years ago, and I've always used leaf mold. I'm able to collect it, but I understand a lot of people can't. So we have our piece of cardboard here. This is the top of a pizza box. You can see on the other side, this is plain cardboard. This is okay to use. This is made out of soybean oil, the printing, and you don't want to use cardboard that has a glossy finish on it or labels or tape. Now we're going to just take this and go around the base of my tomato plant like so, where the hole is, and that's it. We're going to supply nice shade to that area, and it's going to keep it moist, and you're going to stop that blossom end rot. Now, you can always check the water underneath it by peeling back to see what the moisture level is and checking from there. Now, if you want to, you can weigh it down with rocks on the side so the wind doesn't blow it away, but it's that simple to stop blossom end rot. You do not have to take eggshells and grind them up and break them down, or put them in a solution with vinegar to add to your soil. The simple thing here is to just keep your soil moist all the time, and you will not have blossom end rot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again shortly. And also in my next video, I'm going to show you proof how your microbes have to work and break everything down to get from the soil to your tomato plant or any vegetable in your garden. So look forward to watching that, and I'll see you again shortly with that video. Thanks.